Hi, it's Michael with DIY Dad SoCal. I'm going to show you how you can test your solar panels before installation to make sure that they're functioning with a multimeter. So here's my Renogy solar panel that I just purchased. I have it leaning on this chair so that it's upright, and then I propped my multimeter up on the top. And you will want to make sure that you set it to DC voltage. I put it to 200 because the reading right now is above 20, and if you put it at 20 it won't work that good. And then you take the red lead and hook it up to positive. So that's what I did here. And then the black lead into the other connection, which is the negative. And as you can see, I'm getting 23 volts about. Yesterday when there was a lot more sun, I was getting over 24 volts. And on the back of the solar panel, usually there's some settings, and here you'll see that if you zoom in, that the open circuit voltage is 24.3 volts. So that's what you would expect if it was fully sunny out and reading. So that's all it is. Good luck with your solar install. Thank you. Bye.